Hi everybody, this is how to set entry for different groups and kids and set attendance for them in the new Kamar. So you go to your Kamar and here's your normal class, and then you want to go to day. Alright, and then you select the day and the period. I'm going to talk about period 1, and then you're going to select which kids you want to get in there. So you can either put them in one by one, or you can set a year level here, or you can set a group here. So let's say I wanted to do something for the footballers, under 15 football. Apply search, continue. Alright, now I've got the under 15 footballers, and let's say they had a period 5 game. So you just then go set for all, and then just click all, Thursday, period 5, and then so if they had a game at school, something like a school-based activity on site, and then you'd put in football game, and then you click set.